Hi guys, welcome back to My Silent Poetry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this Hawfinch bird painting. I know definitely you will enjoy this painting with me. For this painting, I used BRUSTRO watercolor paper and BRUSTRO watercolors. Simply, I started with bird's beak by using the color mixture of Persian blue and very tiny bit amount of crimson lake. The lower part also I am adding very thin layer of Persian blue, then I need to darken it. For that I am using the same mixture of Persian blue and crimson lake. Next I am using yellow ochre. Before I am adding yellow ochre, I wet the head part with water. Now I am darkening the color by using burnt sienna. I am using my little brush to create some small details. Here again I am using the same color of burnt sienna. I have got some of the burnt sienna. I think burnt sienna is the most commonly used color for this head. Persian blue and crimson lake were used in equal measure to darken the beak. And the area around the eyes filled with the same colors. To create a very beautiful and realistic eyes, again I took burnt sienna and I need to darken it. For that I add Persian blue in burnt sienna. Then I rewet this area, feather part, with water, and I mixed up a mixture of cobalt blue and scarlet lake. And I started to put some burnt sienna color underneath the feathers and also adding some grey tones. Then I come back with a bit more of Persian blue color and I am darkening the color by adding black in it. The same colors and the same method was I followed to complete the tail. Here I painted a thin wash of burnt sienna, and for some small details I used dark shade of burnt sienna and grey. You people can see here I'm using very small pointed brush to do these all details. Actually this is a BRUSTRO brush. To complete the rest of the image, I used the same colors that I mentioned already, especially for tails and legs. Now I am working on wet paper with sap green. Actually I used a wash of sap green all over the branch. And for dark shade, I mixed sap green along with burnt sienna. Mainly these two colors, I mean sap green and burnt sienna, I took to create the branch. Yes guys, this is my finished painting. I think you enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share.